If you haven't heard already, screen upgrades are all the rage because it is a new category that we are still, as an industry, getting accustomed to. And one of the leaders in this category is, in fact, RDVFL. CEO Rich Descalfani now joins us because there is a new application that I think most of you are going to be pretty excited about.
Hey, Ben, always a pleasure to be here, man. Super happy. Really excited to be going over our new screen upgrades for Lexus and all of the applications that we have available.
You know, Rich, I got to tell you, ever since you started talking about this screen replacement deal, it seems like it's just picking up momentum. There's so many vehicles that have customers wanting to upgrade their screen. And today's announcement with applications for Lexus vehicles is probably no exception. Now, before we dive into what it looks like, I want to get this part of the way, folks, because this particular Lexus application, Rich, is deep, like a lot of vehicles. So instead of getting you to remember this off the top of your head, let me just go for the record. We're talking about RX from 09 to 15, ES from 13 to 21, RC from 13 to 19, IS from 13 to 19, GS 12 to 20, as well as LS from 13 to 19. Rich, that is a huge amount of applications.
Yep, absolutely. And actually, we do cover RX up until 2022 as well. So there is an application for Lexus RX from 16
Wow.
and up also.
And
So
RX is
really,
such a
really nice
popular,
solutions, man.
so many of these cars we all see on the road. And the opportunity here, if you're just tuning in, is to offer the customer or the opportunity to be able to upgrade the factory screen. Guys, if you haven't figured this one out, go back and look at some of our other videos. Lots of different applications for Ford, Chevy, trucks, so on and so forth. But this one's unique because it's touching on Lexus. So obviously you have one with you. Let's talk about what it looks like and just go run through real quick what it's all about.
Yep, absolutely. So this is one of the screens that we have available for the Lexus. You can see really nice, thin, mounts directly into the factory location where the factory screen was. They are all plug and play, so install is really straightforward. They are fit to molded. They are fit and molded to match the dash. So really nice solutions as far as aesthetics. And these give you a phenomenal upgrade because all of these vehicles did not have CarPlay or Android Auto at all. So now you get wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and you get a ton of features with a beautiful screen that fits right into the OEM location and essentially looks factory and gives the look that the vehicle should have had, from the factory to begin with. So,
A lot of these older vehicles have these smaller screens. They're not even touch screen, right? Because they have these control mechanisms or whatnot. So now you get touch screen, you get a bigger screen, you get wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. And this is the part I always want to repeat because we do get a lot of comments about this, Rich. You are not replacing the factory radio, so there is no loss of factory features. I just want you to reiterate that.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, this is not a full radio replacement. This replaces just the screen itself. So you use the factory radio through the new screen. The factory radio does not become touchscreen. So you still use the same factory controls to control the factory radio, but all of the new features that the screen provides and offers are done via touchscreen. So you could actually use them with the factory controls or with the touchscreen. So all the new features that are added with the screen are touchscreen controlled, and then the factory radio you use through the new screen. So yes, you don't lose any factory features, whether it's backup camera, 360 camera, all that stuff's retained. Your audio system is retained. So it's very unintrusive in that manner to the factory system, the factory amp.
For me, Rich, this is all about awareness. The more we talk about it, the more dealers get to know about it, the more consumers get to know about it, that this is even an option. And I see RDVFL continues to expand their lineup of applications. And I have a feeling there's more down the road. I'm sure you can't tell me yet, but you'll have it here first on CMA when Rich comes up with new applications for sure. So once again, this is RDVFL introducing new screen upgrade solutions for select Lexus vehicles. I say select, but it's a lot of them. Go to the website, rdvfl.com, to find out your applications, put in your make and model, and whatever solutions they have will pop up. The last question for you, Rich. This is going to be, for me, I think it's going to be pretty anticipated here. What is the timeline of availability on this particular solution?
So they are available now. All of the applications that we have spoken about are in stock and available now, direct or through distribution. We do have distribution that has them in stock ready to go as well. So whether you deal with one of the EDA distributors or you purchase direct or from Importel in Canada, they are readily available and are selling now, shipping now with a 3-year warranty.